Hey guys, today's video is going to be on how to back up your WordPress website. I'm going to show you two different ways on how to do this. First one's going to be through your cPanel. You can find access to that through GoDaddy or any other hosting that has cPanel options. The other one's going to be through WordPress if you don't have any other easier way to do it through the server. We're going to use a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. Seems to be the easiest one that we found that works pretty well, pretty intuitive. So without further ado, I'll show you how to do both of those things right now. So from the GoDaddy dashboard here, go ahead and click on Manage under Hosting and then cPanel. And then we're going to do everything in the backup wizard here. So you can come up here and back up the entire site if you wanted to. Full backup here. That's like if you're moving the site or anything like that. For ease, I like to just back up the database. I do that first because that downloads the quickest. If you're on GoDaddy servers, they're a little slow to do this. Other servers might be quite a bit quicker. Then you're going to do the home directory. The database is where all the information is stored. The home directory is where all the files and programming is stored. So you do need both of those things. In the case where you have to restore the website, simply go into the backup wizard again, click on Restore, and we'll just go ahead and upload the files that you just downloaded. So this is if anything crashed while you're updating or anything like that. Here we're going to do it with WordPress. I've already installed the all-in-one WordPress plugin here. Go ahead and enter into it. And this is the cool part. If you were like moving your site, you could do a search and replace with your old domain and your new domain, and it'll just automatically back it up with everything updated. So when you upload it, it should work to the new URL. We're not doing that in this case. We're just going to go ahead and back it up. I like to save it to a file. So when you export, just export to a file. While we're waiting for this to go through, and don't worry, I did speed it up. It does take a couple minutes usually. Again, we do want to just back up our files before updating the WordPress framework, the theme, or any kind of plugins. This is just in case something crashes or breaks something else. Two plugins don't work together correctly or anything like that. You've got a backup of your site before you did it, so you can upload the backup and you're not down, and then you can troubleshoot the problem or give us a call and we'll troubleshoot it for you, depending on your ability to do so. But once this thing is done backing up, then we'll go ahead and download it to our local computer here. There we go. So we'll just go ahead and download here. When we back up like this, it does also save a file to the folder. So if we want to import it, I'll show you how to do that too. So we can import from a file, just bring it back in here. The free version of this only allows for, I think it's up to 2 megabyte upload. You might have to do some edits. You see right here that the maximum upload file is 32 megs. That's default from WordPress. You click on this, it'll give you some instructions. You can just copy and paste this code and put it into your WP config file. But if you have access to your WP config file, you probably have access to a cPanel and you should be backing it up the other way anyways. But regardless, the instructions are here for that. If you feel comfortable doing so, go ahead and do it. You can also upgrade the plugin and it'll give you unlimited file uploads. Or you can click on the backup button here and you'll see that you've got all the backups and simply there's a restore button. Just go ahead and click restore. When you do this, the website will be down for just a moment, but everything should be back and restored once you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or give us a call. Don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos.